Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening WhatsApp and going straight to Settings. On Android, tap the three dots, then Settings. On iPhone, open Settings inside the app. Once done, choose Chats to find display options on Android. Make sure you understand whether you need the app font control or the system text size on iPhone because the next steps differ. If you prefer a smaller overall interface, know that display size and text size affect more than just WhatsApp, and adjust accordingly before proceeding. On Android, you tap Settings, then Chats, then Font Size and pick Small. That directly reduces chat text. If your Android build lacks that option, go to Device Settings, Display Advanced Display Size, and move the slider towards Smaller. This shrinks WhatsApp text indirectly. Once adjusted, return to WhatsApp and restart the app to ensure the new size renders correctly in existing chats. Also, check individual chat media captions. Some elements may need reopening to refresh their layout after the change. On iPhone, WhatsApp follows system text size, so go to iPhone Settings, Accessibility Display and text size, and slide towards Smaller until WhatsApp looks right. Once done, you can use the Control Center text size control for quick temporary changes without reopening settings. Make sure to close and relaunch WhatsApp if some messages fail to update. If text still appears oversized, toggle dark mode or reboot the phone. That often forces UI elements to reflow and display the selected smaller font correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.